Here I have ALCATEL U5 and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery on the following device. So basically let me show you how to accomplish the soft reset operation. It's especially useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. So at the very beginning, let's just remove the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity right here at the down right edge of the device. So simply use your nail finger to remove the whole thing step by step. And now you can restart your device by removing the battery. You can do it by using the following down cavity. Let me do it. That's it, just remove the battery. And if you would like to reset your device, you have to remove it just for about 5 to 10 seconds and then put it back with the exactly the same way right here. Alright, let's close the back cover protection. And now all you have to do is simply press power key to switch on your ALCATEL. The device is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, now you can unlock your device and start using your smartphone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.